This is a video letter to His Holiness Dalai Lama. I know you don't want to listen to me because the Danish military agency have been very busy making false official paper of me being a psychopath, a pedophile pervert and a communist. But it's all false, created by some agent who want to see me dead. So don't be alarmed. You have karma on the Tibetan people. 1 million is now dead because of your belief in demons. So you have something to be busy to compensate for that. And I know you can do that to help the Western world to get the industry, to get a new way for the industry and the inventor to get new information to a more safe and new high-tech industry with doing some new processes, old Buddhistic processes, who really was the first time that Buddha, the first thing Buddha was learning by the Buddhas in Two-Seater Heaven. So listen carefully, and I ask you to be a mediator to the Western industry to get this new high-tech knowledge by doing this exercise. So listen carefully. You see, some scientists already in the 60s was using this technique, and they was talking about it in the Swedish television after they got their Nobel Prizes. So what they did and what Buddha did was when you want to have new knowledge, you ask and pray when you go into sleep. You said to yourself and your higher conscience, or the Buddhas, whoever you believe in. Mostly it's more efficient to ask the Buddhas or Jesus Christ or whoever you believe in. Tonight I want to get the answer how I can help my country to get a new idea, to a new product for the industry. And I remember it when I wake up again. And you said all these sentences many times in your way into your sleep. And then you will wake up in the middle of the night, and you have to have a paper and a pen, and you have to notice it. Even you think you will be remember it, because it will be so clear in your head when you wake up in the middle of the night, or if you're taking a nap during the day, and use these words, these sentences. And you have to write it down. You have to be disciplined to write down what you experienced. For some people, for instance, physicists and chemistry people and so on, they will get the knowledge in the terms who they are familiar with. For the people who have who get ideas but not have the technology knowledge of math or something, they will get it in symbols. So, but you have to write it down. And even if the way it's working is that it cannot be misused, and you cannot get high-tech information if you, for instance, live in a dictatorship where there not are free the free will and free election. You will not be able to get high-tech information who will be a threat for the world, and no information where the natural artificial technology will not be released to these countries. It will only be in the free world that people will be able to dream, dream them to the knowledge. So, dear Dalai Lama, please help the world, and it will be good for your karma after this Tibetan disaster, just because you were believing in demons. So if you still think I'm a demon, I'm sorry, but it's all created by these evil and poor military officers in the Danish military agency. And you cannot reach me at telephone because they have given a lookalike my telephone number, so it's impossible for you to reach me. You can ask Dalai Lama to see me up in person in my apartment because he knows me, but what he knows is all false. But he have been on a big, still is in a big pressure under the military, who will have told him that they will kill him, kill you, and they said it's American who will kill you, but it's not. It's only created by the Danish military agency. And God bless. Namaste. Your Holiness.